First, download the Xiaomi Home app, formerly known as Mi Home, on your Android or iOS device. Next, power on your Yi camera and wait for it to initialize. In the app, tap the plus icon to add a device and select your Yi camera model. Then scan the QR code located on the camera. Connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. Ensure your router uses WPA3 for enhanced security. The setup process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. For outdoor models, ensure weatherproof mounting and a suitable power source. If connectivity fails, use the pinhole button to reset and repair the device. Yi cameras offer essential features including two-way audio for communication, infrared night vision for 24/7 monitoring, and optional cloud storage starting at $3 per month for secure backups. For optimal performance, position cameras 7 to 10 feet high to achieve a 120 to 140-degree field of view, ensuring comprehensive coverage without blind spots. Enable two-factor authentication in the Xiaomi Home app to add an extra layer of security and protect your camera feeds from unauthorized access. For multi-camera setups, use the Xiaomi Home app's hub device for centralized control, allowing you to manage all cameras from a single interface. Take advantage of AI-powered motion detection to reduce false alerts by distinguishing between people, pets, and environmental changes. Consider local storage via microSD cards for enhanced privacy, keeping your footage on device instead of relying solely on cloud services. Keep your camera's firmware updated through the Xiaomi Home app to patch bugs and improve performance with bi-monthly updates that address connectivity issues. For custom integrations, Yi cameras support RTSP protocol for direct video streaming and IFTTT automation for connecting with other smart home devices.